Hey there, in this video I'm going to share with you how you can remove or unlock your Samsung washing machine, and it's super simple. So first power it on, and then when you're gonna have powered it on, what you want to do is you're gonna have temp and spin. So you're gonna have temp and spin buttons, and as you can see, like you probably even gonna see like this small symbol under that. And what you will have to do, just press and hold it for about like 3 seconds together, and this symbol right here will disappear on your washing machine, and then you can use it. So you're gonna have two buttons, probably temp and spin, that you're gonna have this small symbol also under it, and that means is you're gonna have like you just have to press and hold it, and then you're gonna unlock it. And this is how we're gonna fix the issue. So I hope this video helped you to solving the issue with your Samsung washing machine, if like how to unlock it. And thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye.